What is that sound? It's getting close, whatever it is. I know there's foxes there, but it don't sound like foxes. Let's go investigate. That's putitsa time. I think it's birds. Probably already scared them. I'll try and stand here and not make sound for a bit once I get in position. There's ducks. Whatever it is, I scared it away. Well, I'm just at the dacha, figuring out what was making some strange noise out there. You'll see it probably in this video. I'll link it in this video. Update on the structure of the terrace, balcony, whatever you want to call it. Got a few more beams to put up, but I did a lot more. And I'm just waiting for a little bit more of a melt. And then I will keep working to get the roof on this thing. Beautiful spring in the mud season. I just put a new short handle on my axe and made the handle a little bit more comfortable. Old axe I pulled out of the rust. Comes in handy to take out the trees in the back.